What's up everyone, Chris here with Archipelago. Today we're going to be focusing in on the set Atlas. Now let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Now Atlas takes a very minimalistic approach to editing, so we're going to want to keep that in mind today while we're editing this image. So before we do anything else, let's go ahead and set our white balance. Head over to the right window over here, your basic panel. Okay, and let's go ahead and bump up the exposure just a little bit here. Right about there looks perfect. Then I'm going to bump up the temperature. See how far I can get away with it. Actually, I don't want to go too far. About right about there. And it's slightly on the magenta side to me. So I'm going to take that down maybe just 1 or 2 notches. Just 1 notch. That looks good to me. Now let's go ahead and apply a preset that we like. Let's go ahead and actually just hover on top of them and see what we get here. I think I want something that really stays true to what the colors already look like. And I think that's definitely going to be Atlas 01. Let's give it a click. Looking good. Now it's still looking a little bit on the dark side, but I don't really want to mess with the highlights here. I want to retain all that detail in the clouds above. So I'm actually going to head over to my right panel, my basic panel, and I'm going to bump up the shadows just a tad to bring out some of the detail in the shadows. Just like that looks perfect. Okay, next up, let's go ahead and add some grain actually. Let's zoom in here. And I always like to add just a small slight amount of grain. So grain plus is going to be just perfect. I'm going to give that a click. Looking good. Back out here, and then Atlas actually gives you the option whether or not you want your image sharpened or not. Default, it's not sharpened, so let's go ahead and add some sharpening in just for the effect. Looking great. Perfect. I'm in love with the way this looks. Now, while Atlas doesn't actually contain any creative profiles, we can actually use creative profiles from other sets you might have from Archipelago. Let's take a look at how we do this. We're going to head over to the right panel again, and we're going to go to our profile browser here. It's this nice little 4 squared icon. Give that a click. And I'm going to use the golden profile today from Odyssey. Give that a click. So realize right now we're at about 50%, even though it says 100, it's basically 50%. And so we can take that all the way over to the left for 0 effect, no effect at all, or all the way over to the right for a super warm 100% effect. But I'm going to take it all the way to the left and I'm going to slowly drag to the right. And I just want to add a little bit of warmth here. Yeah, just like that. Looking fantastic. Now that we have our finalized edit, let's go ahead and take a look at the before and after. Alright, thanks for tuning in everyone. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you can also hit the bell if you'd like to receive future notifications when we post new content. This is Chris, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.